Hello everyone! Congratulations to you if you are watching this video since you are going to make more money and save your time while purchasing your everyday stuff. All you need to start is having your email address, your laptop, and 5 to 10 minutes time, which I believe you have. I was one of those people who used to explore many deals of credit card cashbacks or online coupons because I love discount. I used to think that these credit cards don't offer much cashback. Also, the bonus categories are limited. As an example, one card might provide offers for grocery stores or restaurant, but it does not necessarily have the option for your flight or hotels and so on. In my way toward finding a better offer, one day I found Chrome extension, which is a tool that provides you with good deals for online shopping. And after finding that, I started to dance and I became very happy. And I'm sure that after finding this out, you will start to dance yourself. And now I want to show you an example of my earning from two different extensions. This is just to give you an idea of how extensions work. I'll explain them more later in this video. You can see in the left side CapitalOne extension. I made as an example around 200 bucks purchase for booking a hotel room, and I received around $54 as a cashback. It's around 25% of it that I got the refund back. Or another one where I paid for 1 month gym subscription and I got 38% of that as cashback. I could see the records of my payment for Macy's online with 10% back. Just compare it with your regular credit cards that offer around 2 or 3% cashback. I wouldn't have got this if I made the same purchase in store or online without using these extensions. Now, after seeing one random example of my earning, you get the idea of making or saving more money while using extensions. But that's not the only benefit. It also motivates you to save your time through online shopping. Let me briefly tell you all benefits of extensions and then show you how to install and use it. As the first benefit, the cashback amount extensions provide is much more compared to physical credit cards. They start from rates around 5 or 6%, and sometimes they offer a higher cashback rate than their typical rates during holidays or as special offers. And sometimes it goes to 40% or more. Furthermore, you can increase the chance of making money if you use more extensions. But don't get me wrong, you can activate just one extension for one purchase, but each extension provides different offers. For example, extension 1 might give you 10% cashback for Walmart online shopping, whereas extension 2 gives you 15%. So if you have multiple extensions at the same time, you can see which one works better for you at the moment. As a second benefit, there is not such limitation on the category of purchase. You can buy flight ticket, reserve hotel room, shop for groceries, and so forth. As the third benefit, you can see it automatically does its job. You don't need to do anything about finding the best deal, coupons, or best price. You just need to launch the extension to your browser and it does its job. Let me show you how to install it in an example. I brought a table of extensions I used before and I added to the description of this video. You could use these referral codes to create your account and get some bonus. After building your account, you can refer your friends and earn some bonus for yourself. So let me go, for example, to add Rakuten to my browser. After I clicked on that link, this page opened and I already logged in, but you would see this button to add this extension to your Chrome, you can click on it and then it will be added to your extension list here. So yeah, it will show this message that you give the permission to that extension to access your web browser and give you some offers. Let's say I added that, and now it shows me the installation complete. Now, as an example to show you how this extension works, I open one website, Lenovo. For example, I'm going to buy a laptop, and for the price, as an example, I select this range, and let me go with the first one as a random selection. For example, now we need to add that to our basket. So I'm not going to customize it. Let me see how I can. You see that these offers, these are the extensions that pop up to show you that you can get cashback if you buy from this website. So let me add that laptop to my cart. Skip to cart. Okay, you see the price of this laptop is $876. Meanwhile, you see many offers here from RetailME, from Rakuten that I just installed. This is one interesting offer. CapitalOne says you saved $300 automatically. Let me apply that to see how it goes. Yeah, so it applied the coupon of build your thing and reduced $300 automatically. So you see that now the price is $569. But let me check for out of curiosity to see if there exists any other coupon that even can further reduce this price. So I go for with RetailME. I start from that. I'll apply all saving. It's going to try different codes that it already found online, and it found a better coupon code. You see, it's now $400 reduced, and the final price is even better. You can see that how this extension can help you. And while you found this coupon, you can also activate the cashback from each of these extensions that you find they have higher rate. For example, I go with Rakuten and I see that it gives me 10% cashback. I'll activate that. And while I have already saved around $400, now I also get 10% more on the top of that. That's a great deal. For that 10% cashback that I just showed you the Rakuten example, you wonder that where would that amount go and how you can redeem that. So it takes some time, maybe 2 weeks for some extensions, for some 1 month, so that they can process your payment and make sure that you actually paid for that, and then they will calculate that cashback. Here it would be around $47, I think, 10% of that, and they will apply that to your account, and you can just tell them how you want to redeem that. For this month for Rakuten, I chose to redeem my cashback through my PayPal account, so they will directly send the cashback to my PayPal. For some extensions, you probably could redeem your cashback through gift cards such as Walmart, eBay, Amazon. Now is the other interesting benefit of this extension. You can find some extensions that offer the stores where you can find the same item with a better price, or some provide other features to watch the price of an item you like and get notification when the price drops. Now I'm going to show you an example to better understand what I mean by this feature. That's different from the previous example where you saw discounts through coupons or percent cashback. Let's say that in this example I'm going to buy a Ninja coffee maker from Walmart while I haven't checked the price in other websites. If you have some extensions installed in your browser that have the feature that compares the price between different providers, as an example I have one here named Ibotta. So it shows me that the same item in different stores. So here the price is around $100, while I can buy the same coffee maker from Home Depot, Target, these two stores with $20 reduction. So if you open that website, you can see that this is the same item just like this one, and the price is $79, around $20 lower than this one. This is a great feature. Also, there are some other features where you can track one item and get some notification if the price drops. Now, after seeing the money you can earn out of extensions, think of the amount of time you can save while shopping online. You probably spend at least 3 hours a week shopping for your groceries, including the commute time. I know that in-store shopping is really fun. I am a fan of that. But sometimes that's worthwhile to use these tools and save your time and money. Congratulations to you if you have already built your account and earned some bonus. Or if you have not, you can go and build your account, use different extensions, and earn money while shopping for your everyday stuff. Please share in comments if you find any other extensions, and let us get and save more together.